In this video, we will see how to do factory data reset on all Samsung Galaxy or Android phones. In this video we will use two methods. The first method is from the phone menu, and the second is how to do hard factory reset. In my case I have a Galaxy M32, but the way is the same for all Android phones. First method, go settings, slide down, press about phone, slide down, and press reset. In this window click factory data reset. Erase, and delete all. The second method. The phone is on, power it off. Hold the power, volume up and button simultaneously. You should see the Samsung logo followed by an installing system update screen. After a few seconds, you should see a no command message flashing on the screen. Wait 10 to 15 seconds at this screen and the device will enter recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to scroll through the menu and the power button to make a selection. Highlight wipe data / factory reset. Press the power button to select. Highlight and select yes to confirm the reset. Once the reset is complete, you will be bounced back to the same recovery mode menu. Press the power button to select reboot system now.